everyone, I'm Facho. Welcome back to my channel. This is the 4th episode of the Dream series. Today the doll character I'm going to create is NYME. Before we bring NYME to life, I have a question for you. If you were to design an ecology maintaining spirit, what would be the first ability or tool you would give it? Just think of one in your head and let's see if our idea magically align. Now let's begin. In this series, I plan to create at least 100 doll characters and build a story for the world they live in. Just imagine a world with no shadows, where everything is soft and squishy. What kind of unique plants or buildings do you think would exist in a place like this that we don't have in our world? I always find this part the most fun when I'm brainstorming. In the dream world, I imagine there are no shadows. Everything is soft and fluffy, and the sky is a serene cyan blue. The Dream Sprites are one big family with 7 different skin colors: red, orange, yellow, green, cyan, blue, and purple. Each color has its own unique look and abilities. They're the original inhabitants of the dream world and also its caretakers. NYME belongs to the green-skinned type. Among the Dream Sprites, they are in charge of ecological maintenance. They have long ears and long hands. Like the Momos, they have no eyes. Instead, their faces feature white spiral patterns resembling tree rings, but that doesn't stop them from seeing. NYME perceives the world through touch and sound. Their long hands can gently touch budding leaves and listen to the rhythm of blooming flowers. Those long ears can catch messages carried by the wind, the whispers of the clouds. What do you think? Could they also hear sounds from our real world, like the music we play, and transform them into melodies within the dream? Names are gentle and careful, responsible for maintaining the ecological balance of the dream world. They adjust the timing of starlight dewdrops to help mushrooms open and close their gaps on time. They guide fireflies to form a directional river every night at 7 p.m. and they hum growth melodies for newly born dream seedlings. The most magical thing is the tree ring spiral on NYME's face rotates gently when they work. It's actually a tiny ecological sensor. When the ecology in some corner of the dream world falls out of balance, the spiral emits a soft green light and NYME rushes off to fix it. For example, a wilted donut cloud needs watering, or a section of the rainbow bridge has lost its color. What other kinds of cute or quirky little ecological troubles do you imagine could happen in the dream world that would require our NYME to rush to the rescue? Tell me the most adorable or weirdest problem you can think of in the comments. And as long as NYME is around, the dream remains fresh, soft, and full of life. And the 4th doll NYME is complete. So now NYME has a form in our world. In a future story, which of the previously created spirit companions would you like to see NYME meet first? And what kind of story do you think would unfold between them? Any inspirations or ideas are welcome in the comments below. I read every single one, and your idea might just become the next dream character or a part of an upcoming story. If you like it, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, save it to a playlist, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.